This is about as formal as you'll ever see me. Today's the day for the drawing of the two Amazon cards. What we're going to do, we'll do the random picker here, and we'll have them up in the morning. It'll be at the end. We'll have it at the end of our little fudge video for in the morning there. We'll have this up there then. Alrighty. Hello folks. In today's installment of some quick, easy, cheap treats for Christmas, we're going to be making some fudge. German chocolate fudge. You talking about easy. This is simple and easy, folks. All you need is whatever your favorite frosting is, and in whatever your favorite bag of chips is. We're going to be using milk chocolate on this today here. There is numerous possibilities, however different flavors you want to make. It's that simple. You're just going to heat this up here to melt it just a little bit. You're going to melt these, mix it up, pour it in a pan with some parchment paper we found to be the easiest. Set it in the refrigerator, let it set up, and good. Let's get started. Alright, I'm just going to pour these in a bowl here, and this is going to be another one of those recipes that I would consider kid safe. Let them come help you. What we're going to be doing is just heating everything up in the microwave. It ain't going to be super hot or anything like that there. We're just going to get these mixed up, or we're just going to get these melted a little bit there. And then we'll set the frosting in the microwave also. We'll let it warm up some, and then we'll combine everything together, pour it in our pan. What I'm going to do is set this in the microwave at like 30-second intervals, and we'll just keep an eye on it, and we just don't want it to burn. Burnt chocolate is bad, folks. Alrighty, you can see here, folks, hopefully you can see there, they'd started to melt. Ours was roughly almost 2 minutes. And then we stuck this in to let it warm up also. Now, like I said, it should be kid friendly. It's still going to be hot. Just be careful. I don't want nobody getting burnt. And then all we're going to do, mix these two together. Get out all that goodness. And then we're going to mix this up. Get it good and combined together. Then the hard part's going to be over here getting it poured into the thing with the parchment paper. Let's get it all good and mixed up here. Then you'll have people fighting over here in a minute to get the spoon in the bowl there. Clean the bowl up for you. Alright, now. Okay, folks, I got another tip for you. Carolyn just told me. Homestead said what you do, just crumble your parchment paper up like that. It's easier to fit down in there like that there. And it is. Look at that. Huh. Like I said, folks, if we happen to see something that works good, we'll let you know about it. Thanks, Shoot.
Welcome. Thank Becky.
Thank you, Becky, from Homestead. I'm going to swap out this spurtle here for a spatula. I think altogether, the chips was on sale. Of course, it's a store brand. That don't make no difference to us. and the icing. Both of them was on sale. I think we got right at $4 into this candy right here. And like I said, the flavors are endless. Just whatever you want to come up with there. Just use your imagination. I'll be showing another one later on this week. Hopefully this week we'll try to have something every day. Of course, Wednesday will be our What's for Supper Wednesday. Now, we're going to stick this in the refrigerator and we'll let it chill. We'll come back in about an hour and a half or so. We'll take a look at it. Alrighty, folks. There you have it. We let it sit in the refrigerator there for about an hour and a half. We could have probably done it sooner. Take it up here and see. And give us a knife. We'll let them try it out here. Sugar.
Well, I know this is my favorite, so
Thank you.
I'm not going to eat them, folks. My sugar's up.
Delicious.
Yep, it's delicious.
Love German chocolate.
Alrighty. Quick, simple, cheap. Thank you all for watching, folks. And congratulations again to our winners. They're coming up right now. Sugar, let's get it up to the picker and we'll see.
Okay, good luck, everybody.
Good luck. Well, looky there. Life with Belinda and Chuck. Congratulations, Chuck. Alrighty. Here we go again. Let's pick another winner. True Country Girl 1977. Congratulations. Folks, like I said, this wasn't a huge giveaway or anything. We would like to try to start having these more often. Congratulations to the winners here. We'll be getting in contact with you. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Like I said, we're going to be trying to have this week some more candies and cookies and different things here getting ready for Christmas. Folks, thank y'all for watching. Sounds like our little girls in here are ripping things up. Thank you for watching.